Hello everyone, in this video we will be making an English to Hindi translator using Python. So let's get started. So first we will import from tkinter import star. And then from English to Hindi .englisttohindi we will import EngtoHindi. So this is basically a module in Python which converts English language to Hindi. So you can simply install this using pip install English to Hindi in the terminal or CMD. So now we will make a function that is def English _to Hindi and constructors. So now in this constructor we will write trans equals to or translator equals to EngtoHindi. That should be in capital, right? Then it should be in string e.get. So what is e we will get to know in the next codings. And this is the result, and we will translate this to convert. And we will set the result as res. Now we are making the tkinter modules to set the GUI for this, and this is the configuration for that. This is the result string variable, and this is the labels for that. And in the label we will write master text, which would be equal to enter the text to the we can write anything here. We just here we're writing enter the text, and set the background as light gray. And we have to make another label, and before that we have to set the grid for this. And in the grid we will specify the row and column and set it sticky so that it doesn't move. So this is the second label, and this will show the result for that. So now this is the result, and again we will set the background color as light gray. And we will specify the grid of this one also, and that will be row equals to 3, and it will be sticky. So we'll write sticky equals to W. So now this is the label of variables, and this is the E, which will be equal to entry, and entry master, which is the configuration of the tkinter. And we will specify the grid for E. Row equals to 0 and column equals to 1. Now B, which will be the button for this to show the results. And this will be the command. So when we press the button show, it should take the command and convert the English text to Hindi. So this stands for that, and we will again set the grid for this button, and that would be equals to row equals to 0 and column equals to 2, and column span equals to 2, and row span would be equals to 2. This is the padx and pady. And we just write main loop. Now let's try to run our program. So let's say enter text hello and show that, and it displays the result namaste. So now let's enter another text. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. कृपया मेरा YouTube channel subscribe करें. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and stay updated.